So I just did grocery shopping. Let's take a look. What a good standard grocery shopping cart should look like for basic overall healthy eating. Needless to say, eggs are a large part of any healthy diet. We're talking good protein, we're talking different nutrients inside eggs that also help with regards to the production of testosterone for men. So this is particularly good for men, but it's also very good for women as well. B vitamins and things of that nature, which are very, very important, and also precursors to women hormones. So eggs are a big one. So unless you're preparing for a competition or what have you, everybody's going to want a little snack. I like pretzels. I think they're a nice little snack. They're also fairly filling, so I utilize those. I've also, once again, speed, unless you're getting ready for competition. Fruit is a very good one. I also utilize Jello, fruit and Jello. Very low calorie. Takes care of your sweet tooth. Of course, bananas are everybody's diet. And then vegetables. Here I got sweet potatoes. And here we've got Brussels sprouts. So I steam my vegetables. I use a lot of Brussels sprouts. I use a lot of sweet potatoes. And I'll steam them along with my chicken and rice. Then I have other things. These little tomatoes, nice and sweet. You can almost eat them like candy. Yogurt. I eat a fair amount of yogurt, and of course I get something that tastes decent. But you can use any type that you like. Everybody's taste buds are different. I like these for ease and speed of access, but again, whatever works for you. Interesting with the tomatoes here, I utilize crackers and cheese. So I get whole wheat crackers, and I put some cheese on it, and in the same bite I usually have a tomato. So it makes a nice well-rounded little snack. Of course, anybody that knows me knows I'm a coffee drinker, an espresso drinker, so I've got to have my half and half. Anybody also that knows me knows that I'm fond of using peanut butter and jelly. Okay? Peanut butter and jelly is a nice little snack. These Uncrustable things come already made. You can just take them with you. So for example, I've got one right here that I'll utilize today. Here's my tomatoes, pineapple, my chicken and rice, and my tuna there. So those are some things that I use. Again, crackers. These are the crackers I'm talking about that I'll use with cheese and tomatoes. It's quite a nice snack. Orange juice. I do buy some things that I can have quickly when I'm on the run. And so egg rolls, and then also microwave chicken pad thai. I use PF Chang's, which is a higher quality. It's pretty decent. And then I have things like honey roasted cashews, also a snack. There's cheese, tuna. I use solid white in water. I use fresh pineapple and pineapple chunks because I don't want to get caught without having pineapple. And then Thousand Islands, I utilize that actually with my red potatoes. So I have red baked potatoes and I have a little bit of Thousand Islands on it. Makes it taste good. So there you have it. That's what my groceries look like. Overall pretty good, pretty healthy. Again, if I was going to be training for a competition or what have you, some of these products I would not use, or I would use very sparingly. But overall, this is a good daily eating plan.